Are you trying to decide between Pipedream and Make for your automation needs in 2025? In this quick guide, we'll compare features, pricing, integrations, and performance so you can pick the best tool for your workflows. And for now, let's dive in. What they are: Pipedream and Make, formerly Integromat, are two powerful automation platforms. Pipedream is geared more toward developers, letting you write code in Node.js, Python, or go inside your workflows. Make, on the other hand, is more visual and beginner friendly, with a drag and drop interface that non coders love. Features: when it comes to features, Pipedream excels in real time workflows, webhooks, and event driven architecture. It supports over 1,000 integrations and allows you to write custom logic with full control. Make offers over 2,000 pre built apps, conditional logic, error handling, and scheduling. But it shines most with its visual scenario builder. You can map out even complex logic without writing a single line of code. Pricing. Now, for pricing, Pipedream's free tier includes 100,000 monthly invocations, but it gets pricier as your usage scales. It's great if you are a developer building scalable automations with code. Make offers a generous free tier with 1,000 operations per month, and paid plans start lower than Pipedreams, which makes it more attractive to solo users and small teams. Integrations and ecosystem. Pipedream focuses more on modern APIs, developer-focused tools like GitHub, Stripe, and Twilio. If you are working with serverless functions or building SaaS products, it's a dream. Make supports a broader range of apps from marketing tools like MailChimp and HubSpot, CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and even IoT. It is the Swiss Army knife of automation. Performance and use case fit. Pipedream is faster for real-time data handling, background jobs, and dev-heavy tasks. Make is better suited for building business workflows like syncing spreadsheets, managing CRM entries, or sending scheduled reports. In short, developers and startups lean toward Pipedream. Business teams and no-code users, Make is your winner. Conclusion. Now, to wrap things up, you may ask yourself now, should I go for Pipedream or Make in 2025? If you want power, code control, and event driven automation, Pipedream wins. If you prefer simplicity, visuals, and app variety, Make takes the crown. And the real winner, the one that best fits for your team's workflow. Try both and let your case decide. And that is it for our comparison. If you find this comparison helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.